Top 3 myths which are the biggest hurdle of your fitness journey. Friends, there is something common between you and me, that we all have the common sense that which food is good for us and which food is not good for us. But still, even trying so hard, we are not able to control our mind and our stomach and our hand to grab those bad foods which are not good for us. In this very video, I will be covering up the topic that what are the myths or the beliefs which we are carrying in our life, and they are causing us the trouble of binge eating or the poor eating habits into our life. Health, happiness, immunity, and to have great body. This is my goal for every client, for everybody.
This is how legends are made.
Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I'm on the mission to transform 100,000 working class people of India into happy, healthy, immune and to have a great body. That's why I have created a course known as Automatic Metabolism Reset System, which will reset your metabolism in a very short era of time. Friends, I still remember that when I used to do the diet, on that time I used to believe that the key to do the diet is to eat less and work out hard. But I wish I had this knowledge when I was in my 20s. But unfortunately, I did not have this kind of a knowledge. That's why it took me around 15 years since to achieve this kind of a fitness. Right now I'm 37 years old. It's not more than around 4 years back I was really struggling to achieve my health. And right now I'm sharing the right knowledge which I have already applied in my life, and then I'm telling to you. And now it's been more than 3 years since I am on a one state which is a healthy state of my life. The number one myth which we usually carry is the myth of that we need to eat less to reduce our weight. Friends, the simple logic if you want to lose your weight is very simple, that you need to eat less. After that you need to repair your metabolism. After that you need to maintain, and then again if you want to lose more, then lose weight. So friends, there is a cycle of weight loss. Weight loss is not your life. Let's say that your body requires around 2000 calories of food and you want to lose your weight. So that's why right now you are eating around 1500 calories of food. But right now it is a good thing of your body that your body can adapt any kind of a circumstances. So before your body adjusts itself and its metabolism to 1500 calories, what you do that you take a break, and after that you give you a maintenance calorie diet, or even you can also go for the bulking diet. And bulking diet, maintenance diet and the calorie deficit is the key to lose weight. It is a you can say the crux of the dieting. So those people who are not able to maintain their weight and who think that eating less is the key, yes, it is the key, but it is just a part of the log. You need to go inside into it and you need to train into it. And that exactly I do with my clients also, where I teach them that how to do the calorie deficit diet, how to maintain your dieting, and how to maintain it for the lifetime. Friends, the second myth is this, that you need to work out so much to lose your weight. The fact is this, that even if you do a right kind of a workout for every day for a 15 to 20 minutes, then it will impact your health. Friends, you're not gonna believe in this, that there is a stretching workout like the moving your hand like this, and the small jumpings. Even no, so many people, they don't even do this kind of a 10 minutes of workout in their life. Although and whenever they start their health journey, on that time they are really aggressive. So that's why they run hard, they jog hard, and they are not seeing this thing that the workout or the health is not a short term goal, it is a lifelong journey. So what kind of a workout which you can do lifelong is a workout which you should do. So if you carry a momentum of a 10 to 20 minutes of every day, then keep it forever for your life. Take your breaks on Sundays. If you don't want to take any breaks on Sundays, don't take any break. So the biggest myth, the people usually think that you need to work out so much. It is a wrong concept. The thing is this, that you need to do some kind of a workout where your cardio get the pressure, and after that you need to take a rest. So usually what I do with my clients, I give them the alternate days workout, because there is a concept of rest in their life. The rest period is the most important thing. And if you are, then after that you are giving pressure to your cardio after having pure rest. Although I do not give you any kind of a suggestion that you should spend most of your time on the treadmill, cross trainer, cycling. No, it's been more than 2 years since I have never put on my foot on the treadmill, but still you can see that how do I look. But I do prefer to do the HIIT workout or the power workouts, in which the sprints come into this, and you can say the sprinting is coming into this, the power HIIT is coming into this, the Tabata sessions are working into this. And I usually do half an hour, 45 minutes, 20 minutes of Tabata in my life, and once or twice in a week, and I am on the maintenance. So you also should do. So if you are on your weight loss journey, don't depend on the running. Try to do some kind of a resistant training also. Okay. And I still remember that when I used to work in my corporate world, on that time I started my health journey, and I lost my weight because I was active whole day, not in my exercise. The exercise was a booster which boosts my whole day activeness. So if you are not active in your whole day and you totally depend on your workout, then again you are wrong. So try to be active in your whole day. And it is the biggest myth that you need to work hard to lose your weight. The third concept is a very, very, very important concept. The third concept is that because of the overwork in your office life or in your business life, you are not able to give your time to your workouts or to your health. Friends, food is the one thing which we need to consume to live our life. And many researches have already been conducted that what kind of a food you eat, you become that very person. So if you are not happy in your life, if you are not happy with your career, I would like to take you to a sink. I would like to take your concentration on your food also, that what kind of food you are having. Friends, if you imagine for a moment about the situation which you had 2 years back, and you thought that it was stressful. The situation has been gone, but your stress has not gone. The stress is right here. So the only thing which fights with the stress, which I truly believe is the fitness, and the key of the fitness is your food. So if you're consuming those food which is giving you true energy, a kind of a calmness and the coolness inside of your body, then definitely you will shoot that calmness, that coolness in your career life also. And you are absolutely wrong if you're telling to me that because of the overwork you are not able to do your workouts or your fitness routine. Then you are absolutely wrong, because the day is not far when you're going to see that how your poor health and your poor routine going to impact your career life, especially after your 40s. Friends, if you really want to have a sustainable life, if you really want to grow in your life, then give priority to your health, because your health is going to impact your mood, your mind. Those people who do workout, they have the intellectual mind. It is, the researches have already been conducted. I still remember that when I did not have any kind of a good routine in my life, especially the diet routine, on that time I was really pissed off. I used to believe that I used to depend on the tea, I used to depend on the junk food, I was hungry, I was thirsty, I was scared. But now the things has been changed, because right now I know that what kind of a food I need to consume in my life. So friends, these are some of the three concepts. If you're going to if you're going to change these three things into your life, then you will see the miraculous changes into your health routine. Friends, if I'm connecting with you in any of this, then feel free to comment on this. And if you have any kind of a health trouble, please ask to me. I would love to help you out. Friends, and If you are connecting with any of this, then you can also join on my social links also, the link I'm giving in your description. And I have created an ebook for all of you where you can find the 7-day diet chart for a veg and non-veg people, and you also gonna find out that what are the home-based simple breathing workouts which you can do in your life every day, which will make your mood really happy. So friends, this is your fitness and Bhupen signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness and be happy without any reason.